I'm Gracie Jane, I'm 11 years of age and I'm from Dramâu in Blaen y Gwent, and all I like to do is sing. Well, I used to sing Disney songs and I always used to make my nan cry.
Your nan and your grand, they absolutely loved her. So they'd always be saying, wouldn't they?
Yeah.
Saying she's going to be on telly one day, she is.
She sounds like a pop star.
She can't go like 5 seconds without singing.
I know. Yeah, every lunchtime, every break time.
But it's only this last year we've noticed the power that she's got and the range, and it's because she started a little theatre group.
I went to Katie Trahan, who is a West End performer, who played Christine in Phantom. And once I did that, I knew straight away I can actually sing.
Katie Trahan, who tells us to always make sure she does her warm-ups and...
protect the head voice. Mad range, she said.
Yeah.
You see the range that she can do is mad.
Outside of singing, I enjoy doing some gymnastics, dance, which is ballet and tap, and sometimes drawing to make myself feel more relaxed. I've always wanted to sing everywhere, and I wanted the whole world to see what I can do.
Hello.
Hi. Hello.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
What's your name?
Gracie Jane Fitzgerald.
That's a brilliant name.
I can see that in lights.
I can see that on a poster outside the Albert Hall.
Oh.
What are you going to sing?
Defying Gravity.
OK.
It's a big song for a 12-year-old.
That's a big song.
Wow.
Something has changed within me. Something is not the same. I'm through with playing by the rules of someone else's game. Too late for second guessing. Too late to go back to sleep. It's time to trust my instincts, close my eyes and leap. Tell them how I'm defying gravity. I'm flying high, defying gravity, and soon I'll match them in renown. And nobody in all of Oz, no wizard that there is or was, is ever gonna bring me down. Oh,
I did not expect that.
Wow. I've never heard an 11-year-old sing like that. You defy belief. That was amazing.
How much public singing have you done?
Only a little bit.
Where?
In Bargoed, VOTV with Joey Blake.
This is bonkers.
I'm
You've got the most massive voice.
Amazing.
You must look after it.
Because that could be your business one day, Mrs.
I would say so.
Oh, Nana. Well done.
Gracie Jane Fitzgerald.
Dwi wedi bod yn canu just am blwyddyn.
Oh.
Oh, wow. Pan ti'n cwrdd â rhywun mor special,